attention to them. Okay, so this vlog is for, I know my hair is a mess. The trip that I'm gonna go this week. I can't wait. I mean, today is like Wednesday, so next week, yeah. So yeah, I talked to filming it. I usually don't film this kind of stuff, but I talked to filming it. I'm gonna risk my life and phone to film this. So yeah, I hope you like it. I'm into vlogs these days, so yeah, I hope you like it. And yeah, today I'm just gonna do nothing. I mean, I need to make a list of the things that I need to bring with me. So yeah. Anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing to satisfy your soul, but all the good stuff's
so hard not to like you. There's so much red light. None of you feel the same about us. Yeah, but the timing isn't right. So I'ma just let go, let go. You've seen us more than friends, and I'ma just move on, move on. Yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe. No, I'm not gonna wait, but it'll never be too late. You're into faith and I'm into fate, so I'ma give it some space, cause love ain't a race to be won. And maybe someday we'll find a way between love and lust, respect and pray. We put the kettle on after we walk in the morning.
arrived at the house.
Just move on, yeah, it hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word.
Good morning. This is actually peaceful. Don't mind my hair. It's peaceful. I almost fell down. There's some chickens. Wanna see some chickens? I don't think I already found them. This feels like Stardew Valley. Fucking Stardew Valley. Oh my god, I should water them. It's morning now. But I'm late. It's 10. Oh my god, I have to go to town. Good morning. There they are. Chickens. There's others there. I don't want to go there. Oh yeah. Actually, the chickens in my Stardew Valley's names are funny because one is called Chick-fil-A, the other is called what is it called? Jollibee, I guess. It's funny. I'm so tired.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with,
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever.
Goodbye to this place because we're leaving to another house. Yeah, I almost fell down. Bye bye, my Stardew Valley.
We don't operate well, baby, 'cause you're bad for my health. I swear you're gonna have. I don't wanna 'Cause I really hate you. 'Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
After the second house, my hair is a fucking mess. But yeah, after the second house, it's pretty nice. I think I turned the IC on. There's no Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna use my 4G the whole time, which is bad. But it's fine. It's not gonna. It's just 5 days. The amount of how much? 4 dogs. 5 dogs. 5. It's like 5 dogs. Holy shit! But also you can see the ocean.
You know all my self-respect, 'cause I flew doors straight through the wall. Now that it's fire, we can make it worth the while. Get a job. If not, I might cry.
I'm gonna show you the souvenirs I bought for my friends. I bought this one for a friend. It's a Hello Kitty. She likes Hello Kitty, so I was like, when I found this, I was like, hell yeah, I'm just gonna buy her this. This is gonna be like, oh my god, it's Hello Kitty. And then I bought something for myself. Those are nails. I like them, so I was like, I'll just buy them. I don't know if they're gonna fit anyways. Imagine they don't fit. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You mean 8? I just noticed this is 8. The fuck you mean by 8? Oh. I almost lost my heart. I was like, what do you mean by... What is that? James? What is that? Whoa, what is that? Do I have to glue this and then glue my... I don't know. I'm just gonna put this back on. Then we'll figure it out later. For my other friends, I tried to buy like different colors, but there weren't much of different colors, so I had no other shade. There's like blue, light blue, and dark blue. There's a friend who likes blue. I don't know if she's gonna like any. And there's a friend who likes green. I think this one is mine. I don't know. I bought 5 today. Yay! So yeah, those are all ours. That's just my only really.